Hello guys, in this video I will share with you the only solution to the problem that this application is not compatible with your phone version. A single and simple solution. All you have to do is follow the steps explained in this video, but before broadcasting in the explanation, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and everyone who supports, I thank him very much. Now let's go to the evil. The first step, my friend, is to settings. After that, you go to about the phone, then click here. You will find the Android number for your phone. Here, the Android for his phone is 13. For example, you will find Android 10, Android 12, Android 8, for example. The next step is to go to the Google search browser and write a copy. A copy of YouTube, for example, our YouTube does not work and they tell us that this is an old version. Write a copy of YouTube version 8, then click on the search engine. Okay, if you have Facebook that does not work or any application, just write a copy of Facebook version so and so, and this interface will pop up for you. Click on the first search result. Here you will download the same version, a version that works on the version on your phone. If your phone is version 8, download the version 8 of that application. After installing it, you will find that the problem has been solved. We will meet in an upcoming video.